I'm Sylvia Wallis, and I'm very blessed and honored to be a stroke survivor thanks to the staff here at Marshpoint, the EMTs, and the phenomenal staff at Memorial Health. That afternoon, I started with my afternoon announcements, and a grandparent noticed that I started slurring my words, and she called the front office, and my office staff quickly jumped into action and came back, noticed that I was paralyzed on my right side. At that time, my school nurse jumped into action and called 911. They had, she did my vital signs, everything, had that all ready for when the EMTs got in here. And the rest is all on Memorial Health and their quick reaction to my stroke symptoms. Once I arrived at the ER doors, I was greeted with the stroke team, by the stroke team, and they sent me in immediately for a CT scan, noticed that I had a blood clot on the left side of my brain, and did the clot buster. The TPA gave me that, then sent me back for another scan and noticed that I had blocked carotid artery, and I went into surgery and had a thrombectomy by Dr. O'Kelly and his staff. They were super. I'm aware of what is going on, but I really thought I was on some kind of medical TV show because it all seemed surreal. They were asking me questions constantly. I thought I was answering them, but I really wasn't. Once they gave me that clot buster, I was able to speak and raise my right hand and my right leg, and I answered to the doctor, said, "Repeat after me, no ifs, ands, or buts." And I was able to do that. I am so pleased and very blessed. I tell everybody how blessed I am. I hope I can do this without getting upset, but I was at the right place at the right time with the right people. And that was Memorial Health, because by the time they realized it was a stroke, I was able to have the surgery there at that hospital immediately. And that it was time equals brain. That's what they tell me. They have told me all along. And I thank them every day to be alive, and my school nurse, because without them, I would not be able to be here telling my story. And I think that I'm here to tell the story to get everyone to realize that time equals brain when it comes to stroke, and that Memorial Health is right on it and can treat you immediately should you have any of those symptoms. One thing that I really want to advocate for is for everybody over 60 to get their carotid arteries checked. I think it's important for you to go to your primary care physician. Let them know if you're having any symptoms whatsoever. But I really do think that, like you have certain medical procedures once you're 60 years old, that one of them should be getting your carotid arteries checked, because mine was blocked, and had I had it checked before, I think I might not have had this stroke.